Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check inbox on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening them, you can see your home page, and here you can see the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply reach to your messenger app, and here you can just simply check any of the inbox that you want to check, and it is a way you can check inbox on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.